Between crypto and stocks, which one is the best investment? In this video I'm gonna be putting stocks and crypto head to head and explaining you the advantages and disadvantages of both. We are gonna cover the volatility, the risk of fraud, if it has a long-term potential and the possible return on investment. Also, how easy it is for investors to get involved and start making some money.
Somebody say make money, money, make money, money, money.
Later on I'm also gonna be sharing with you how you can pick up some free crypto, so stay tuned for that. Stocks and cryptocurrency are different investment assets. Both are generally liquid assets that belong in the speculative side of your portfolio. Now let's talk about what are stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a publicly traded company. Each share of stock you buy confers to a percentage of ownership in the company itself. You receive this ownership in proportion to the number of shares that the company has issued. An investor can make money by selling their stock shares to other investors. This is known as capital gains, which is the difference between what you paid for the asset and what you get from selling it. However, the most important distinctions between investing in stocks and cryptocurrency comes down to the fundamental difference in what you're purchasing. Stocks typically grant their owners certain entitlements, such as voting rights or a portion of the company's profits in the form of dividends. On the other side, many digital assets, such as Ethereum, are utility tokens that are meant to be used within a blockchain ecosystem where the network's user can create, publish, monetize and create applications on the platform, and these tokens do not represent a legal stake in the organization that issued them. There are also many cryptocurrencies that do not have a use cases and are intended as a store of value like Bitcoin. These assets are best known as digital commodities like gold, for example, but they still do not represent any stake in a business or its operations. The individual unit of a cryptocurrency is called a token, in the same way that the individual unit of a stock is called a share. Now let's talk about the market access. For the vast majority of investors, stocks trading is generally restricted to set business hours. For example, stocks exchange based in North America tends to operate between specific time during the day. On the other hand, crypto market never close, not even on holidays. This makes it easier for people that want to take a new position and enter or exit the market whenever they want, regardless of where they live. But let's talk about volatility. The stock market has been around for a long time and it tends to be generally stable and predictable. If you want a stable asset, an S&P 500 index fund is usually a safe bet. This is because this index fund allows you to invest in the top 500 companies in the USA in one easy investment, meaning that if one crashes, then the other will make it up, leading to less movement in the price. Some people might think that this is boring in comparison to the crypto market, and I can see why. It's simply volatility, and therefore their ability to make lots of money fast is certainly very exciting. For this reason, the price movements are highly unpredictable. Sometimes you see pump and dumping in the crypto space. This means that people can buy a large amount of certain coin, then advertise it as a great investment online, pumping up the price, then all they have to do is sell, dump the coin at the peak, and then it will start to crash, causing lots of people to lose money. That is because most of the interest in this unregulated currency is to trade for profit, with speculators at times driving prices skyward. So cryptocurrency is much more volatile than stocks. However, that doesn't have to be a bad thing if you pick your investment carefully. There's many great opportunity to make a lot of money. However, we're just starting out in this world digital era, and with time, as the crypto market capitalization gets bigger, we'll see less volatility, leading to a much more stable market. Now, I want to talk about how easy it is for a beginner to get started. Because if it's too hard to invest, then most people won't even care about it. The stock market has been very hard to access. In the past, if someone really wanted to invest, they had to find a stockbroker that would handle their trades for them. Recently, this is changed. With an easy app, you're able to invest and learn at the same time. For example, apps like eToro or Robinhood. And by the way, if you want me to explain how exactly these applications work and how you can make money with them, comment below on the video. These type of apps also allow you to buy fractions of a share. For example, if you wanted to invest in Tesla, you don't have to buy a full share of over $1,000. You can start by investing in as little as $1. A cryptocurrency is a digital currency that uses an online ledger with strong cryptography to secure online transactions. To buy crypto, you'll need a wallet, an online app that can hold your currency. Generally, you create an account on an exchange and then you can transfer real money to buy crypto. There are various exchanges. Some are decentralized, others have less fees on transactions, others have functions of staking and reward, or simply gain by staking your coins. Coinbase is the most popular cryptocurrency trading exchange, where you can create both a wallet and buy and sell Bitcoin and other crypto. Recently, Coinbase has gone public, which means it's on the stock market, and this is a really huge step for cryptocurrency as it legitimized the entire industry and it was actually one of the biggest IPOs in history. And I've been personally using it for a long time and I find it so easy to buy crypto. By the way, Coinbase is currently giving away $10 of free Bitcoin to anyone that signs up and invests $100 with my link in the description. This is a great way to get an instant 10% return. Link down below. Finally, we get to the point that you were waiting for. Where do I invest my money to make a significant profit? Having a small budget, for example $10,000, you can't afford to risk this. And I will look now to only Bitcoin, which is the digital gold and the head of cryptocurrency, or at the stock market. Technological projects, probably without risk. However, to find a large technological projects that will give their benefits. When we talk about money that is millions, for example, then you can afford to diversify your investments and allow yourself to risk. There are people who, I can say, work in this field without risk. You will not multiply so quickly there, but you will have a guaranteed income. All of us have a different point of view. There are those who seek stability, others are attracted to high risk, but from my point of view, this is only when you have a free capital where you can risk. While if this is your last money, I would still try to invest, not for a high interest, but for stability. There are many hacks in investing in crypto, but there are also many losses. You should also consider that Bitcoin has historically become the best performing asset with an average annual return of 230% according to the data. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I bring value every single week with these videos. Smash up the like button and I'll see you in the very next one. Till then, bye bye.